project, make sure you just research good before going into buying NFTs. So this is OKBears, which is a very OG project actually. Very OG project, yeah. It's right now is 34 Solana. It was around 70-80 Sol at a time. I guess it crossed around 100 also. This is also a 10k collection. So you see the top collections in Solana are around 10k collections, like this huge collections, people. The owners, you see, the owners are compared to other 10k are very less, 4.45k. Like there are people who holding two or more beers together, like there are good good amount of whales. You can just go to the Twitter, and right now you can instant sell it for 29.25. It has recently pumped in the past 24 hours. It has up 12.56%. Why? Because as far I remember, they have um, collaborated with Zara, if I'm not wrong. Let's see. Yeah, Zara. Zara, yeah. Okay, beers now available worldwide in 1114 Zara stores across 74 countries. A moment to slip into mainstream culture. So I think I don't need to explain you who is Zara or what is Zara about. Zara is a very famous brand, and actually a very big brand in the world, not only in any country or anything, the world. So they have collabed, and Zara stores, in Zara stores you can get these beers, you know. To order, you see, you can just visit this link and official Zara. Yeah, here are the OK beers feature like 17 bucks, 17 bucks, around 18 bucks, not 17. These are the OK beers you can buy from the official Zara. So this news has actually pumped this a bit. OKBS is going mainstream. And recently, I've seen the OKBS team has just went wild and active. They have been doing things. They have been doing new things. They're exploring. They're making aiming, getting new VC funds, and yeah, that's all. This is basically a PFP project. Mostly it was a PFP project, not actually like building things like the past two things I've seen. We have seen that Mad Lads and Tensorians both were builder project. All right, so Mad Lads, they made X backpacks, and they making exchange. Tensorians, they were a whole uh, exchange similar to Magic Eden Tensor. And OKBS, this was basically a PFP project. So there was a another one in the top in D Gods, but they have not recently, a couple of months ago, they have bridged their project to ETH. So probably we can see that also there, as we can see the ETH project here too. If the god, here it is, the gods. Here you see. So yeah, there are few actually still there.